Hello, you're watching Forex TV.
I'm Anna Kasatkina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is the review of Forex and stock markets for the last week.
How did the major currencies behave during the previous week, Anna?
The anticipations of the fiscal cliff, which threatens the USA, have increased the investors' inclination to shelter currencies.
And what currency appeared as the favorite one?
The US dollar rate increased on Friday. The US dollar index ICE, reflecting the greenback position versus the basket of 6 majors, increased to the level of 81.286 pips, the highest mark since early September, from the Thursday notch of 81.039 pips. Weekly, the indicator gained 0.5%. John Boehner, Speaker of the House of Representatives, and Harry Reid, a leader of the Democrats' majority in the Senate, commented on the results of the Friday meeting in the White House, calling it constructive. They mentioned that the plan of actions to prevent the fiscal cliff were outlined. In case the compromise is not found and the fiscal cliff breaks out, the US economy can deepen into recession again. At the same time, the euro fell to $1.2624 US from the last week close of $1.27.80. Weekly, the pair added 0.1%. Meanwhile, the destiny of the next tranche to Greece, which has been postponed for a long time, remains uncertain, which pressurizes on the euro. Moreover, the euro-Swissy remained almost unchanged at 1.2049 pips after Thomas Jordan, the head of the Swiss National Bank, told that the Swiss franc is still overestimated, which pressurizes on the economy of Switzerland. In September of 2011, the Swiss National Bank set the minimum for the euro-franc pair at 1.20 pips. And also declared about the planned non-limited interventions in the currency market targeted to prevent currency from falling below this benchmark. That's all I have about the currency market.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Olga. What sentiment overwhelmed the stock market?
The US stock market appeared in the affirmative zone.
So what evoked a favorable environment?
It was actually the beginning of negotiation between the Republicans and Democrats. Their purpose is to avoid an automatic spending cuts and a tax increase, which will start since 2013 in case the legislature takes another decision. Among high-tech companies, the shares of computers producer Dell fell by 7.3% after the report showing a slide in sales in July to September of 2012. The company stated that the net profit declined to $475 million to 27 cents per unit from the last year reading of $893 million or 49 cents per share. The yield fell 11%. Aside from that, the shares of Sears plunged by 19%. On Thursday, the corporation released information on the losses it suffered from in the third quarter, amounting to $498 million or $4.70 per share. Thus, the negative profit of the company increased from the previous rate of $421 million or $3.95 per share. The largest network of supermarkets in the USA and Canada attempted to increase the footfall thanks to an attractive design and programs of loyalty. However, these efforts appeared fruitless. This is all I have about the major events on the stock market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
You are watching the weekly analysis of Forex and stock market prepared to you by Insta TV team
With Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.